Welcome to Freezy Video Time. Happy to see you again. Last time we introduced our smaller quartz filter. Today I will show you how to use it. Firstly, we put it totally into the water to fix it in the tank. You see, it's not easy to fall down. This filter has a low water design, so it can be used in the turtle tank too. Next, we power it on. You see, here is a LED digital display to show the actual temperature in water. Now we can start to adjust the temperature as you need. After 10 seconds, it starts to heat water. Our heater, the water temperature range is from 17 centigrade to 35 centigrade. So if the water temperature reached 35 centigrade, it will stop working automatically. Hence, if you want to take out this heater out of the tank, please power it off 10 minutes in advance. Okay, fans, thanks for watching. We will continue to bring more new arrival to you. See you next time.